Why did Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam marry a 9-year-old girl? If she was not 9 years old, please tell us what was her age. Okay, let us discuss this issue. The actual age of Hazrat Aisha radiallahu anha at the time of her marriage to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is disputed. No question about that, because there are various different narration available. But the marriage could not have been consummated until she has reached puberty. In many cultures, women are and were married years before a marriage is consummated. The custom of early brothel and marriages continue until late 19th and early 20th century in much of the world, including Europe and North America, where there are still many US states that allow for underage marriages even today. Thank you.